Give you the word, no phrases. Okay, no dugtong. So, sino una?
Ako na.
Okay.
Stop.
Light.
Light up.
Uplift.
Lift up.
Up, top.
Top global.
Global news.
News outlet.
Outlet pass.
Pass around.
Around the world.
Ganyan ginawa ko kanina. Tapos
Around
ako
the
sabi mo.
Ay, sabay mo man. Ay, sabay na ng score natin.
Wala. Yun yung sa heart.
Wala na agad. Ano? Ano sa
Head.
ba? Headrest.
Rest easy.
Easy trip.
Trip together.
Together forever. Forever.
Forever love.
Love? Love town.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Lugar ng pagmamahalan. Love town. Love town. Love town. Love town. Oh, meron. Oh, alam ni Leon. Ikaw na, dinadaya mo ba ako?
Town chief. Nilo sa heart.
Hindi kita ginaganyan, ang daya mo. Chip, sir.
Walang ganun.
Si Sir Chip. Sir Chip, oh.
Wala. Yun lang sa heart. Walang ganun.
Chip, sir.
Up.
Uptown.
Town mall.
Mall park.
Park here.
Here, there. Here, there, oh. Meron.
There, everywhere.
O, tatanungin kita. Here,
Where?
there, oh.
Therefore,
Ay, pwede. Forearm.
arm around.
Walang ganun.
Ayun o, arm around.
Wala nang maubot ng mga salitang around. Ikaw may around ka ba dyan?
Around town.
Oh, around town.
Look! Cheater talaga!
Anong cheater?
Sige, around town. Town hall.
Hall chief.
Chief captain.
Ganun ba?
Meron.
Saan? Chiefmate yan eh.
Chief mate.
Gaya. Cheater! Ang daya nito. O sige, chief captain.
Salary.
O sige, chief. Ship captain yun, hindi naman chief. Sige, ano yun natin? Sabi natin. Captain Hook.
Hook she. She.
Yulo sa heart. Brand.
New.
New car.
Car dealer.
Dealership.
Chief captain.
Captain Hook.
Joke lang yun!
Oh, wala. Captain Hook na tayo. Uy, doon ka mag-isip sa hook mo.
Hook me. Franco, hook me.
Ang ganun eh. Ayoko na ito.
Nagkait ako ng word. Hook me.
Me too. Sige, ikaw na.
Too much. Oh.
Much kin. Much better.
Better living.
Living life.
Lifeline.
Lineman.
Man hater.
Hater lover.
Di ba yun?
Pwede yun. Parang hook me.
Lover era.
Eruption. Talo.
I won again. Franco, hook me.